izi Go X, 2023's most powerful 3-axis smartphone stabilizer. Setting up. Start by unfolding the izi Go X. There's a quick user manual on the arm for reference. Attach the tripod to the Go X. Place your mobile phone in Go X's mobile holder, making sure the camera is facing the direction indicated on the holder. Press and hold the power button to turn on izi Go X. Use the joystick to adjust Go X's position, up, down, left, right. The fill light will turn on after a single press of the power button. The OLED display provides information about the active modes, battery level, and wireless charging. Pairing the application. Connect the application to the Go X by selecting the Bluetooth name from your device's Bluetooth list and pairing it. Download the izi Go app from the App Store for a better shooting experience. Using the video button. Press the video button to start or stop recording. You can switch between horizontal and vertical orientation by toggling the switch. Long press the video button to activate wireless charging, only supported by compatible devices. Sample moves. izi Go X offers various advanced moves. You can choose any suitable move from the provided samples. Modes. Lock modes. In full lock mode, all 3 axes of the Go X are locked. POV modes. In POV mode, all 3 axes follow the movement. PF mode. PF stands for pan following mode, where the pan axis follows the movement while the other 2 axes remain locked. Follow mode. In follow mode, the pan and tilt axes follow the movement while the roll axis remains locked. On the left side, there is a slider for tally and zoom. The scroller is also helpful for focusing on objects. Inception mode. Inception mode is an advanced feature of izi Go X. It allows your phone to rotate fully, providing stunning Inception-styled video shots. Hitchcock mode, also known as dolly zoom, lets you select the start and end position and set the duration to create a unique video effect. Gesture control. With gesture control, you can control your phone by using hand movements. AI tracking. In 2023, Go X offers powerful AI tracking capabilities, including body tracking, object tracking, and face tracking. Live broadcasting. Use the Go X for live broadcasting. Time-lapse. Capture time-lapse videos using the gimbal. Setting menu. In the setting menu, you can select the camera lens, horizontal line, flash settings, resolution, and more to capture stabilized or high-definition images.